This is how we make permanent plant tags for our plants. This is a honeyberry we just got in the mail today, and we're still going to get some really bad freezing weather. And you can see right here, this thing is already starting to bud out. And if we put it outside right now, in a few days, it's going to freeze all these growing tips off here and set the plant back quite a ways. So we're going to leave that in a pot, keep it inside, and we're going to make a plant tag up for it real quick. This is trim coil. This is what your fascia is covered with, unless you have composite board fascia. This is just aluminum. You buy it on a roll, usually 20 feet long. If you're just using it for small projects, you get 50 foot, you get 100 foot rolls if you're a contractor and you're doing a lot of houses. This is just left over from our house here. So this is just scrap material, so it didn't cost us anything. You can also use aluminum cans for this. I don't use the aluminum cans as much because I don't think you can see it as well on the aluminum cans. All right, let's get our plant tag made here. You need a sturdy bench to put this on, because we are going to use a hammer. And I bought these at Harbor Freight. I don't recommend buying anything at Harbor Freight that has electrical components or a motor or an engine. But I did buy these from Harbor Freight because they're just hunks of iron and they're probably not going to break. So our plant is a honeyberry, and it's called Maxine's Opus. Maxine's Opus. So this is a pretty straightforward process. It's not the fastest, but it does make permanent tags that will never wear out. You just find the M, give it a good whack with the hammer, and that is why you need a sturdy bench. Let's see, one of these was my S. And I don't need to put honeyberry on there because I know what it is. I just put the name on there. It's easily readable, and this will never wear out. It's aluminum, it won't rust. This plant tag will probably last longer than me. Okay, there is one danger of this. Because this plant isn't very big, this gets blown around by the wind here, and it is possible to have this blow off of the plant. I have had that happen a couple times, but this is going to be inside for right now because it is budding out, and it's still February, so I don't want this to freeze off. There we go, permanent plant tags.